Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Temu crochet project that I purchased and it's in this box. If you look on the box, it does not say what it is, it just say that it's a crochet kit. And I did not look at my order information. I'm going to decide to be a secret. I think it's a rabbit for Easter, but I'm not certain. Keep on watching and I'll show you what's inside the box. Let's open this nice box and reveal what's inside. I see the word duck. Is that it? Okay. And we have our crochet hook. What else? So this is polyfill, not very much, so I assume that the duck. I like the colors, very bright colors. It comes with needle. Oh, there's glue also. There's a glue stick. Eyes, thread needle, and straight needle. Stitch marker. This is some more yarn. Again, more yarn. Oh, we have a pair of scissors. I think this is the first kit that I received scissors. Look at the scissors. Oh, this is perfect. It does not come in a booklet. Where are the instructions? So these are, oh, and it's in English. Perfect. So this is the instruction and it makes, you know, there's no picture of what it makes. No, yes there is. This is it. It's a duck. I will provide you with a picture and this is the instruction. I'm glad it is in English. We'll test it to see if it does make sense, but this is what it is. I'm not going to share the pattern with you since this is a purchased pattern, but we will definitely start making this together. I read the pattern carefully and there are some things I don't really understand, like this portion. When do we glue the eyes, or something about the petal I don't get. However, I did find that there is a video tutorial. I did glance at the video tutorial. It is on YouTube and it is accessible for everybody. I will leave the tutorial in the description down below. I'm not going to give you the step-by-step since it's already there. However, I am going to give you a glimpse of my journey of doing this crochet kit. Let's get crocheting. If you look on the back of the sheet, it asks for a 2mm crochet. And if you look at this, it's either 4 or 3. I tried the 3. The 3 is too small. I don't like crocheting with it, so I am using the 4 side, which crochets better. I would like to mention that I found some errors on row 28, 29, and 30. I think it was just typos that happened. In this line it says 2 decrease. It should be 2 single crochet. This says increase. However, it should be a decrease. And then it says 2 decrease, but it should be 2 single crochet. Same for line 29. It mentions 3 decrease, but it should be 3 single crochet. This says increase, but it should be a decrease. And also line 30. So these are the 3 lines I found typos in. It's time to start stuffing our duck. I took the time to watch the video and I noticed that line 28, 29, and 30, even though it was written this way, they did it the correct way, the way that I just explained to you. And also row 32, it's not 48 stitches, but 8 stitches. I finished all of the parts of the duck except for the legs, which I will explain later. And yes, it's a nice duck. There's some positive stuff about it, but negative stuff as well. So let's start with the positive. No, before I do start with the positive, let me just explain what I did. I did not sew anything. Everything was glued. I did not use this glue stick. What I did is I used fabric glue. I glued the beak, the eyes, the petals, and the arms. I don't have the legs. Positive things about this. It looks right. It's cute. If you're having some issues, there is a video out there that shows you how to crochet this and how to assemble it. It comes with everything you need. The negative, what I really think, my honest opinion, it says that it's for beginners. I say it is not for beginner. Maybe beginner advanced, maybe a little bit more than beginner advanced, but this is not for beginners. The reason is the pattern, how it's written. I've noticed issues with this pattern. Rose right here. I noticed issues with the color, which is miscolored. I've noticed issues how to do the petal, the translation, this part. I could not understand this. I had to look at the video. The mouth was okay. The wings, if you don't know how to do a petal, you will not know how to read this. You will need to refer to the video. And also the leg. I tried to do the leg, I referred to the video. It's not well explained. There's not enough detail. And this is the reason why a beginner would not be able to do this. Too many mistakes. Not enough explanation. And also the price for this. The price I paid, $12 and some cents Canadian. That is expensive. Plus taxes, may I add. So if I'm going to be paying that much, I would like to have detailed instructions. No mistake. Even the video, when I look at the video for this, it was not explained properly. The writing on the video was not correct, but her doing the stitches were. This is very nice duck. Since I have paid for it, I'm going to rewrite this for myself. I'm going to write a different type of duck legs. I hope they enjoyed this video. I hope that if you do decide to try it out, go ahead. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. Bye.